checked out the Student Referral Count Filter yet? No? Well, let me show you just a couple of examples of how you might be able to use it as you drill down into your school's Swiss data. Have you drilled down into your Swiss data and you come up with a report that looks like this? In the 2014-15 school year, 71 students accounted for 150 referrals for defiant behavior. When you started defining your problem statement, did you ever want to know how many of those 71 students were referred more than once for that problem year? With the Student Referral Count Filter, we can answer that question. 17 students had 3 or more referrals for defiant behavior, accounting for 80 out of the 150 total referrals. Well, maybe this changes our solution, maybe not. Maybe we decide to implement a separate solution for these 17 students. At minimum, the filter gives us more information about the problem. Here's another example. As a Tier 2 team, have you ever wanted to look at Swiss data for the students with 2 to 5 referrals? What problem behaviors crop up most for this cohort of students? Where do these behaviors happen most frequently? With the Student Referral Count Filter, your team can answer those questions more efficiently than ever before. So go ahead, give it a try. Take a look at your data, see what you find.